happens to your body if you consume beets every day? Did you know that 1 cup of beet juice, 250 milliliters, provides over 20% more nitrates than a bowl of spinach? Or that half a cooked beet contains more fiber than 2 tablespoons of rice? And did you know that a single cooked beet contains more potassium than a banana and 3 times the magnesium of a cooked potato? Amazing, isn't it? Stay tuned to discover the incredible health benefits of beets. We'll give you 10 compelling reasons to drink beet juice daily, along with an unmissable recipe at the end. An ancient root with a long history, beets, Beta vulgaris, native to the Mediterranean and North Africa, have been part of the human diet since prehistoric times. The ancient Romans were among the first to cultivate beets, initially for their leaves, while the roots were used for medicinal purposes. The Greeks and Romans valued beets for their ability to aid digestion and treat blood-related illnesses. In Ayurvedic medicine, beets are praised for their cooling properties and numerous health benefits. Over time, the nutritional and culinary potential of this root was discovered. Its natural sweetness became a significant find, making it an essential source of sugar. By the 19th century, beets had become a vital crop for sugar production. Today, white beets are widely grown in colder climates for sugar extraction, while red beets are prized for their culinary and nutritional value. A nutritional powerhouse. Beets are low in calories but packed with essential nutrients, making them an excellent source of health benefits. They contain vitamins A, B1, B2, B5, C, minerals, potassium, sodium, phosphorus, calcium, zinc, iron, and manganese. Other nutrients, protein, natural sugars, and fiber. Their high folic acid content makes them an excellent choice for pregnant women and an effective remedy for anemia. If the reasons above haven't convinced you yet, join us as we explore 10 amazing benefits of drinking beet juice daily. Don't miss the delicious and nutritious beet juice recipe at the end of the article. 10 reasons to drink beet juice. Every day, one lowers blood pressure. Beetroot is proven to be one of the best natural foods for supporting heart health, especially in lowering blood pressure. According to a UK study published in the journal Hypertension, consuming 500 milliliters of beet juice daily can significantly reduce blood pressure in both healthy individuals and those with hypertension. This effect is attributed to the high nitrate content in beets. Once consumed, nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which helps dilate blood vessels, improve blood flow, and reduce pressure on arterial walls. Research indicates that within 24 hours of drinking beet juice, systolic blood pressure can drop by an average of 4 to 10 millimeters of mercury, a meaningful decrease for cardiovascular health. Additionally, a meta-analysis from the Journal of Nutrition confirms that dietary nitrates from foods like beets can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, including stroke and heart attack. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who have difficulty tolerating blood pressure medications. With clear scientific evidence, beetroot is not only a nutritious food, but also a natural, effective solution for maintaining stable blood pressure and protecting your heart. 2. Supports digestion. Beetroot is an excellent source of dietary fiber, providing approximately 3.8 grams of fiber per 100 grams, about 10% of the daily fiber requirement for adults. This fiber plays a crucial role in improving digestion and maintaining gut health. Research shows that plant-based fiber, such as that in beets, not only aids bowel movements, but also promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, probiotics. These bacteria help balance the gut microbiome, reduce inflammation, and enhance nutrient absorption. Consuming adequate fiber can lower the risk of digestive issues such as constipation, bloating, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. In older adults, constipation and acid reflux are common problems due to decreased digestive function and weaker intestinal motility. A 2020 study by the American Gastroenterological Association found that a high-fiber diet could reduce the risk of chronic constipation by up to 30%. Fiber also helps regulate stomach acid, alleviating uncomfortable reflux symptoms. Regularly incorporating beet juice into your diet is an effective way to improve digestive health, especially for older individuals. It's not only a nutritious choice but also a preventive solution for common digestive disorders, offering a lighter, more comfortable digestive experience. 3. Reduces inflammation. Beetroot is rich in betaine, a natural compound shown to provide powerful anti-inflammatory benefits. According to scientific studies, betaine works by inhibiting inflammatory pathways in the body, protecting cells and tissues from damage caused by chronic inflammation. Systemic inflammation. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that supplementing with betaine significantly reduced homocysteine levels in the blood, a factor contributing to vascular inflammation and heart disease. Average reductions range from 10 to 20% after 6 weeks of betaine use. Joint inflammation. Clinical trials show that betaine in beetroot reduces cytokine production, inflammatory molecules, alleviating arthritis symptoms by up to 15% after 12 weeks of use. Cell protection. Research from food chemistry highlights that beets contain a high concentration of betaine, 1.2 to 1.5 grams per 100 grams of beetroot, which helps protect cell membranes, boosts immune function, and lowers the risk of inflammation-related diseases such as type 2 diabetes and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. 4. Lowering cholesterol. Numerous studies have shown that beetroot extract has the ability to reduce levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides in the blood while increasing good cholesterol, HDL. In a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, phytonutrient compounds, particularly flavonoids in beets, were identified as the key contributors to these benefits. Results indicated that regular supplementation with beetroot extract led to an average LDL reduction of 10 to 20% and an increase in HDL by approximately 15%. Furthermore, flavonoids possess strong antioxidant properties, protecting vascular endothelial cells from free radical damage, thereby preventing the formation of atherosclerotic plaques in the arteries. Another study conducted on animals by the University of Texas reported a 30% reduction in triglycerides in the group receiving beetroot extract compared to the control group. These findings suggest that consuming beets or beet-based products may improve cardiovascular health and help prevent vascular-related conditions such as hypertension and atherosclerosis. Cure 5. Enhancing eye health. Beets are a rich source of vitamin A, an essential nutrient for maintaining eye health. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in protecting the cornea, the outermost layer of the eye, helping to maintain its integrity and prevent damage. Research has shown that adequate vitamin A intake can lower the risk of degenerative eye conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration, which are common among older adults. Additionally, vitamin A improves night vision by supporting the function of rod cells in the retina, enabling the eyes to adapt better to low-light conditions. An analysis from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, highlighted that vitamin A deficiency can lead to a heightened risk of blindness in individuals with poor nutrition. Moreover, beets contain powerful antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect the eyes from UV damage and blue light exposure, reducing the risk of inflammation and premature aging of the eyes. 6. Boosting brain function. Beets are a rich source of natural nitrates, a crucial compound known for enhancing brain health. Once consumed, nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, NO, which relaxes blood vessels, lowers blood pressure, and increases blood flow to the brain. A study published in the Journal of Gerontology revealed that consuming beetroot juice could enhance blood flow to critical brain areas by up to 20%. These regions are directly linked to cognitive abilities and thinking functions, especially in older adults. Furthermore, research in the journal Nitric Oxide demonstrated that nitrates can improve neural communication, enhancing memory, and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Data also indicate that regular beet consumption can lower systolic blood pressure by 4 to 5 millimeters of mercury, promoting more efficient blood circulation to the brain. This significantly reduces the risk of memory decline and dementia, particularly during aging. 7. Detoxifying the body. Beets are a rich source of powerful antioxidants like betalains and vitamin C, compounds that play a crucial role in detoxifying and protecting the body. Betalains, natural pigments found in beets, have the ability to neutralize free radicals, the primary culprits behind aging and chronic diseases. Studies have shown that betalains can reduce oxidative damage by up to 40%, thereby safeguarding cells and tissues from harm. Additionally, beets are abundant in natural nitrates, which improve blood circulation and support the liver in effectively eliminating toxins. The liver, being the primary organ responsible for blood purification, benefits from beet-derived compounds. 8. Supporting weight loss. Beets are an ideal food for those looking to manage their weight thanks to their low-calorie content and high fiber levels. With only about 43 kilocalories per 100 grams, beets provide sufficient energy without contributing to fat accumulation. This is particularly beneficial for older adults, who often struggle with maintaining a healthy weight due to slower metabolism. Moreover, beets contain 2.8 grams of fiber per 100 grams, accounting for approximately 11% of the daily fiber requirement for adults. This fiber helps slow digestion, promotes a longer-lasting feeling of fullness, and reduces uncontrolled snacking. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition also found that a fiber-rich diet can decrease obesity risk by up to 10% and improve gut microbiota, a key factor in energy metabolism. Additionally, beets contain betaine, a compound that enhances liver function, supports fat burning, and aids in toxin elimination. Incorporating beets into your diet not only helps with weight management, but also boosts overall health, particularly for older individuals. 9. Fighting cancer. Beets are a rich source of antioxidants, particularly beta-catenin and betanin, which have been proven to help inhibit cancer cell growth. According to a study published in the Journal of Cancer Prevention, 2020, compounds in beets can reduce the growth of prostate and breast cancer cells through apoptosis, programmed cell death. An in vitro experiment from Antioxidants, 2019, found that betanin could decrease breast cancer cell proliferation by up to 50% within 72 hours. For prostate cancer, another study in Cancer Cell International revealed that beet extract reduced cancer cell invasion and metastasis, thanks to its ability to lower oxidative stress and block cellular growth signals. Furthermore, the antioxidants in beets help mitigate DNA damage, a factor directly linked to cancer development. Data from an Italian study, 2021, showed that consuming 200 milliliters of beet juice daily could reduce oxidative stress markers in the blood by 15%. These findings highlight that beets are not only a nutritious food, but also hold significant potential in supporting cancer prevention. 10. Boosting athletic performance. Beets are rich in nitrates, a compound that converts into nitric oxide, NO, in the body. Nitric oxide plays a crucial role in dilating blood vessels, improving blood flow, and enhancing oxygen delivery to muscles during physical activity. Studies have shown that consuming beet juice can significantly improve athletic performance. Research published in the Journal of Applied Physiology revealed that athletes who consumed approximately 500 milliliters of beet juice daily extended their workout duration by 16% and reduced oxygen consumption during high-intensity exercises. Moreover, beets help reduce fatigue and enhance post-workout recovery. Another study published in Nutrients demonstrated that beet juice minimizes lactate accumulation, a byproduct causing muscle fatigue during exercise. Potential side effects of beets. Scientific insights. Beets are a nutritional powerhouse, but excessive consumption may cause some side effects. According to research, the high oxalate content in beets can increase the risk of kidney stones, particularly in sensitive individuals. A 2020 study found that dietary oxalates are closely linked to 10 to 15% of kidney stone cases due to oxalate overconsumption. Additionally, individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or sensitive stomachs should be cautious. A 2018 review noted that beets contain FODMAPS, a group of carbohydrates that may cause bloating and digestive discomfort in IBS sufferers. Best ways to consume. Beets, to preserve betalains, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it's best to consume beets raw. A 2019 study found that cooking beets could reduce betalain content by up to 25%. Beet juice or beet salads are optimal choices. Choose fresh, small to medium-sized beets with smooth skin for the best quality. Beet greens, rich in vitamins A and K, are also highly nutritious and can be cooked like spinach. Pairing beets with other vegetables in your daily meals ensures a balanced intake of nutrients. Beet, carrot, and orange juice recipe. Nutritional value. Calories per serving, 70 ingredients, 1/2 beet, chopped, 1 orange, peeled and segmented, 1/2 carrot, chopped, 1/2 cup water. Instructions. 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender. 2. Blend until smooth. 3. Add ice cubes if desired and enjoy immediately. Scientific benefits. Energy boost. Beets contain betaine and nitrates, which promote nitric oxide production, improving exercise endurance by up to 16%, according to Applied Physiology. Immune support. Oranges provide over 70% of the daily vitamin C requirement, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from free radical damage. Digestive aid. Carrots offer 3.6 grams of fiber per serving, promoting a healthy digestive system. Beets are more than a nutritious food. They're a secret weapon for holistic health. They support cardiovascular health, improve digestion, reduce inflammation, boost brain function, and even aid in cancer prevention. A single 250 milliliter glass of beet juice offers 20% more natural nitrates than a bowl of spinach, more fiber than 2 tablespoons of rice in half a cooked beet, more potassium than a banana, and 3 times the magnesium of a cooked potato. Scientific studies highlight the powerful effects of beets in lowering blood pressure, enhancing athletic performance, and supporting detoxification. Additionally, their rich antioxidant and vitamin content protects cells, boosts immunity, and slows aging. Amazing, isn't it? If you haven't tried beets yet, start today with the beet, carrot, and orange juice recipe to experience all these incredible benefits. Remember, good health begins with small, consistent changes every day. Don't keep this valuable knowledge to yourself. Share it with your family and friends to help build a healthier community. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful information. Thank you for watching, and may you stay healthy and joyful.